go ahead and start. Let's hear this thing again. Alright guys, welcome back to Negro Brothers. I'm Mike.
And I'm Ivan.
And today we're working on the Viper. Alright, so the game plan is we're going to work on the back bumper, get that thing all bonded up, ready for paint, prepped up, also get the rest of the car ready. I don't know, we're going to paint the whole car, Ivan? Or just the front and the back?
The whole thing, but we're going to do the two-tone also. So we're going to probably paint the black first, and then we'll paint the yellow. Yeah,
might as well. So this will hopefully get that accomplished. Still don't have the front bumper, but hopefully we'll find it soon. We'll get that back. If we do some prep work on it, bond it up, whatever we got to do, we'll get that done as well. And get this thing going. I mean, honestly, it looks looking great already, but there's still work to do on it.
Also, we're going to put the radiator and condensers, all that in.
Yeah, might as well since we got the frame done and everything on it, so that's not bad. Also, we have giveaways. You guys always have giveaways. Make sure you comment Viper below, and then stay tuned. We'll find the winner for last time.
All right, so here's the rear bumper. Let's get the sandpaper. We're going to DA. We're going to DA this flat, and then apply a little bit of body filler on it. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so we got the bumper sanded down. That took a little longer than I thought. But we're ready to put some filler on it. And we got this special filler that actually flex with the bumper. So I've used it before and it works great. So let's mix it up and put it on the bumper. Alright, so here we go. We got this all sanded down, I'd say really nicely. We're ready for some primer. So I sanded it down, scuffed it down. So let's put this primer down. Got a really good deal, really hard to find, but it's got a little bit of damage right here. So we're gonna give it to that guy that repaired the bumpers, and hopefully he can get it done pretty quick. And then we can line it up and be ready for paint. Right now we got a yellow, black, and a red car. But it's getting there. Finally. Alright, so here's the bumper. Got it all sanded down, got it repaired, ready to throw the primer on the whole bumper. It's coming out super nice. So let's get to it. Alright, check it out. We got it all primered in. Looks good. So we're ready to sand this thing down, but first we're going to put on the bumper. Put the bumper on the car, fix the hood a little bit, and we're ready for paint. We'll catch you guys in the morning. Alright guys, it's the next day in the morning. We got the Viper inside the shop again. So ready to put the front reinforcement bar and the bumper on that we worked on yesterday. So we'll put that on, put the bumper on, fix this little corner, get the primer, and it's getting ready to get painted. Just like that. So let's get this thing on, and we'll see how the gaps look. So let's get to it. Okay, so here we have it. We got it all sanded down. Came out great. The gap came out nice. So we're ready for some filler, some primer, and that's it. We're done.
Alright guys, a lot of progress, but we're still gonna keep going. I even got the hood finished, looks great. Gonna sand that down, getting ready for paint. Also, we're gonna work on the fenders. We're basically gonna jam it out, take it off, get underneath, everything all painted yellow, so then we can put it back on the car and paint the whole car all together. That way we get a nice, even look. I mean, make sure everything matches up nicely. So, a lot of work to do. I'm gonna take the little stuff, little rubber seals and stuff like that, but let's go, let's do it.
All right, so here we have it. We got it all sanded down, ready to put some sealer on it. And then we'll put some yellow on it, jam it out. So it's coming along nicely. Got them all sanded, so let's get to it. All right, so here we have it. We got the sealer down. It's looking good. No more black. So now we're ready for some yellow. Mix it up, put in the gun. Let's start spraying. That looks good.
Alright, so take this mirror off. It's kind of interesting. There's a little secret side pocket right there, access panel to get to that mirror. So technically we don't have to take off the door panel to get to the mirror, but to get these trim pieces off, the door panel does need to come off. So it's not too bad. Look at that. Serious injury can occur. Hot exhaust pipe below. That's true. It's right there. You gotta be careful. started. Let's hear this thing again.
Alright guys, so finally we got the cooling system inside. We got it bled through, got heat coming out, we got power steering bled too, and fan spinning, so that's good. We got all the parts jammed out, so we're ready to paint it. Unfortunately, that's all the time we got this time, so next time we're gonna get everything put back on. We're gonna get it in the paint booth and get it painted.
Man, this thing sounds great. You really feel the inside when it's running. Alright guys, but like I said, that's all the time we have today, so let's go in the office, find our giveaway winner. Let's go do that. Alright guys, that's a wrap for this video. We're inside, we're gonna find our winners for the giveaway. We always do giveaways. And yes, we're gonna do more giveaways. So make sure to comment Viper at the bottom of this video. Share, subscribe, pass it along, turn on that notification, little bell. That'd be great, really appreciate it guys. Let's find our first winner. Alright Max, Viper, simple, plain, straight to the point. Congrats bro. Go ahead and email us your address and we'll try to get that over to you as soon as possible. Winner number 2. I want the Ford Raptor. I won the Ford Raptor sign, now I want the Viper sign. Hey bro, Z-Bear, congrats. You got it, you are getting a little collection. I appreciate it, you know.
And all you had to do was, you know, subscribe, share the video, and
yeah,
leave a comment, just like that. He's got 2 of them.
Nice. We'll try a different new style and maybe create a little different logo, but let us know what you like. For sure, we'll definitely work together. See our most liked comment. Cortez said there's a McLaren, a 2017 McLaren.
Michael, that'd be a nice daily.
One day. I don't know, bro. Yeah, that'd be fantastic, but gotta sell everything first, try to get that. Here's a lot number and everything. I appreciate it, Cortez. One day. It would be nice. We'll get there. Just keep working at it. Alright, let's try to find our last winner. David. Viper is looking great. I appreciate it. Let's come together. Hopefully get it painted soon. But yeah, for sure, stay tuned guys. We have another build coming up. It's to you soon, so we gotta finish the Viper, get the updates on the other stuff, but there's more coming. Stay tuned. Until next time.